Yo, 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 what's up, YouTubers? I have here, I know y'all looking at I'm making a mess, y'all. But here, y'all, I have some turkey wings. Do y'all see those? And these are the whole turkey wings. But they're like the small version. They're not the big turkey wing. And that's because they are the whole turkey wings. But I got these at Walmart. And no, you know what? No, I did not. I take that back. I got these off of Amazon. Yes, y'all, I said Amazon. So y'all actually can shop on Amazon. I will have the link in the description box below. So make sure y'all click on that link or whatnot, and y'all can purchase these turkey wings. So what I'm gonna be doing with these turkey wings is today I will be boiling the turkey wings. Usually I would bake them in the oven. I do them different ways. I will, sometimes if I want a nice little crust on them or whatnot, smother a little bit, I do them in the oven. I bake them in the oven. But today, I'm actually going to do stovetop, boil them, cut up an onion. I'm going to do Worcestershire sauce. Okay, let me get everything out. Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to do black pepper. I'm going to season them with garlic powder. I'm actually going to also do chopped garlic. Let's see. Oh, seasoned salt. And I'm going to cut up an onion. So what I'm going to do first before I do anything like that, I'm going to rinse these off, wash them off real good, just with clean water. Water. Scratch that. But yeah, with water, just rinse them out, make sure there's nothing on them. Put them in a pot, fill them up with the water until they're covered. And let them boil, like pre-boil. Once you let them pre-boil and you see like that foam on top, you want to turn it off and rinse it with water again to get all that boiled fat off there. And then fill it up with clean water again. And then you will season everything in the pot. And then you just let it boil until they're falling off the bone. So, with that being said, I'm going to come back to you all once I rinse these off and everything and go from there. Alright, YouTube, I am back. I have rinsed off my turkey wings. So now I filled the pot up right here. Can y'all see that? Okay, I filled the pot up with water. So now I'm just gonna turn this on to medium to high heat, and I'm just gonna let this boil. I'm gonna let these turkey wings boil until they change color and until I see the foam on top. Then I'm gonna pour this water off, rinse the wings one more time, put fresh water in the pot, and I'm gonna season them with everything that I want to season with. And so with this video, y'all, I'm just gonna really show y'all this one of the ways on how to cook turkey wings. So we're gonna do boiled turkey wings today. I'm getting tongue twisted. We are going to do boiled turkey wings today. So my next video next time I'll show y'all how to do baked smothered turkey wings. But in the meantime, we're gonna do boil. So just cover this with a lid and let it boil. I'll probably, so like I say, I don't never cook with time. I just cook by looking and checking on it and whatnot. But I'll probably say about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Just let it cook or whatnot, change color until you see the foam on top, and then you pour it off, change the water. But anyway, when that time comes, I'll be back with y'all to show y'all that next step and seasoning the wings. So I'll be back shortly. Alright, YouTube, I am back. You play too bad. I'm back, y'all. I have rinsed off my turkey wings. So now I'm going to put up an onion. And I'm going to season up my turkey wings. And then I'm just going to let them cook. So I'm just going to cut up this onion. So yeah, as y'all see, I let them change color and I let them boil, and then they had like a lot of which I forgot about to show you all, but it had like a lot of dark black foam on top, which is just like the blood and everything just cook off through. So that's why I always say to just rinse again and then fill the pot up with clean water, and then you can season. So that's how I normally do mine. Alright, got my onion cut up. So now I'm just going to add my chopped garlic. And just turn the eye back on medium to high. Then I have my garlic powder. Can y'all see that? And I have my black pepper. Oh, y'all have red pepper too. I think I'm actually put some red pepper flakes in here. Oh no, yeah, that's a lot of black pepper, but hey. And I'm going to add my Worcestershire sauce. I like for mine to have a lot of flavor to it, y'all. Oh, a lot of flavor. Alright. Alright, y'all have my red pepper flakes. I'm going to add in here. Just a few. Not many. I don't want it too spicy. And I have my seasoned salt. And I need to wipe the bottle off because it looks kind of not so clean. But yes, y'all, I have my seasoned salt here. And I'm just going to sprinkle. So y'all, I like my season very heavy. I know y'all might be like, whoa, that's enough. But I like a lot of seasoning. I like to taste the season in my food. So now you just want to stir that up, stir it around, mix everything together, all the blend, flavor. And just mix it all together. Stir, 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 mix, mix, mix. Alrighty, so now that I have these all seasoned up, I'm going to let these cook now for about an hour, because I have 6 of them in here, y'all. 3 each come in a pack, so it's about 6. So it depends on how many you have, but I have 6 total. So that's why I said I'm going to let it cook for about an hour, maybe an hour and 15 minutes. I'll be checking on them to see, you know, if they're tender, fork tender. Once again, you do everything to about by the fork. You know, you just like just stick it in there. If it comes falling off the bone, as soon as you stick it with the fork, it's ready. It's done. So as long as they're tender and falling off the bone, they're ready to be ate. So I'm gonna let this cook, and be sure y'all to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below. And like I said, I will also put the link, the Amazon link for these turkey wings. You can purchase them on the Amazon link, because that's where I got mine from. So I'm just gonna let these cook, and I'll be back with you guys shortly with the finished product. So see you guys later.